Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Recently, I have ordered a colorful product from Amazon. Let's see what's in the pack. These are Maple sketch pens, which are 36 in number. These sketch pens are more colorful than I expected. Wow! There are variety number of colors you will get in this pack. On the pack, it is written as 36 units with a brand name Maple. They also mention that these are washable. At the back of the pack, we have some product description and the box price of 250 Indian rupees. Let's quickly unpack these pens. Wow, we have 36 different colors of sketch pens arranged 18 on each side. If you examine a single sketch pen, we have a brand name Maple on the pen, and the pens are really beautiful with a quite defined nib in them, which contains a highly pigmented individual color. All the pen caps are ventilated, which helps the movement of air to the pen. And this set contains few special colors like fluorescent yellow, fluorescent orange, cyan, magenta, violet, purple and few shades of blue, which you can't get in other set of sketch pens. This makes this set special. Let's color something with these sketch pens and check how they work. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe this channel for more art related videos. Thank you.